Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more stories like this. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if everything happens for a reason? Today, I want to share a story that shows us how the universe, big, beautiful, and mysterious, never really makes mistakes. La's story is about a missed bus that leads to a new path. Meet Maya. One Monday morning, she's late for her first day at a new job. She sprints to the bus stop, but just misses it. The bus whooshes by, leaving her standing in the cold air, feeling panicky. Maya takes a deep breath, sits on a bench, and checks her messages. Panic turns to frustration. But then, Maya notices an old man setting up a lemonade stand nearby. She buys a drink, and they strike up a conversation. The man, Mr. Lee, shares a tip about a side street that leads directly to her office, faster than the main road. Maya smiles, thanks him, and follows his directions. That detour cuts her commute in half. She arrives early, calm and ready. A missed bus led her to exactly where she needed to be, with time to breathe and prepare. Over the next few weeks, Maya excels at her new job. Then one afternoon, her computer crashes. She loses hours of progress on an important design. Stuck, she steps away and grabs a coffee. At the coffee shop, Maya overhears two colleagues discussing a fresh idea, one that fits her project perfectly. That crash felt like a disaster, but it pushed her out of her routine. This new conversation sparked an even better design. The universe nudged her off course so she could discover something greater. Maya's design is approved. Her career takes off. She grows more confident. Weeks later, Maya is on her way to her best friend's wedding. A storm hits, and her flight is canceled. Stranded in a small airport, she grabs a sandwich and notices a lost dog at the terminal doors. Maya gently approaches the dog, checks its tag, and calls the owner. It turns out the dog's owner is a wildlife photographer who was on that same flight. As thanks, he invites Maya to an exhibit he's planning. Intrigued by his work, she volunteers to help with the design of the exhibit's posters. Because her flight got canceled, she found a new passion, combining her art skills with wildlife conservation. A closed door turned into a bright new opportunity. When we step back, we see a pattern: missed buses, computer crashes, canceled flights. It's easy to call these moments mistakes or bad luck. But what if they're not mistakes at all? The universe isn't a random force. It's more like a careful guide, pointing us toward the people, ideas, and moments we truly need. Every twist, every turn, brings us closer to who we're meant to become. So next time something feels like it's going wrong, take a deep breath and look around. You might just find that the universe is setting you up for something amazing. Remember, there are no mistakes, only the path you're on. If you're ready to feel that cosmic flow in your own life, join our 7-day subconscious reset. This inner tool helps you shift your reality so quickly, you'll feel like the universe is responding in real time. Start noticing those perfect mistakes, leading you exactly where you need to be. The link is in the description. Let's reset your subconscious and watch the magic unfold.